Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cream caramel at home. First, let's prepare the caramel base. You'll need about 100 grams of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Gently heat these in a saucepan until the sugar melts and turns a beautiful amber color. Be careful, as it gets very hot. Immediately pour this golden caramel into 4 individual ramekins, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Now, let's create the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together 2 whole eggs and 2 additional egg yolks with about 60 grams of granulated sugar until light and frothy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 250 milliliters of whole milk and 250 milliliters of heavy cream until just simmering. Slowly pour the warm milk mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. For a perfectly smooth custard, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Then, carefully pour this silky custard over the set caramel in each ramekin. Place your ramekins into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. Once baked, carefully remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling step is crucial for the custard to fully set. After they've reached room temperature, transfer them to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Chilling them overnight is even better. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin and invert onto a plate. Enjoy your homemade cream caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.